come to again our VNM program in Vimut Nivan Maga, the Sinhala sentence, the meaning of that, the liberation path to enlightenment. So already we have posted 8 programs as the previous videos. Now this is 10.39 means 9th program of VNM season 2 English program stream. So as you see this video from our my YouTube channel Surat Kamara, or you can see this video from my Facebook page, my YouTube channel. In any social media, when you see this video, you can search for the complete program. In YouTube channel we have playlist for VNM programs, so you can find the all videos from there. And for MTC my YouTube channel, you can just scroll down the page and you can find out the rest of program with the numbers according to the number order. Or otherwise you can go to my Facebook profile Surat Kamara and you can find there is one album, the briefing of MTC paid post. So there you can find the one post related to VNM. There all the links of the program has been commented. So now today in our discussion we are discussing about the Prakarana books of the second division of Theravadi Tripitaka, Abhidhamma Pitaka. So in Abhidhamma Pitaka the deepest doctrines are explained in the universe. So it is a universal truth, the subject of universal truth. So that we explain that many times from this program. So, what is the importance of knowing Abhidhamma? The most important thing is getting known about the Abhidhamma. The person who can completely understand the reality of the universe. So that is the basic and the first fundamental purpose of learning this Abhidhamma Pitaka. And around the Abhidhamma Pitaka, all the Buddhist philosophical basement is founded because the doctrine is totally built upon discipline, the Vinaya Pitaka and the Abhidhamma Pitaka, and both of these divisions are reflecting in Sutra Pitaka, the third division. So that is the structure of the Tripitaka. So like discipline that we have discussed before, Abhidhamma also this other part between these two stands, the Sutra Pitaka also standing with this. So the importance of Abhidhamma also we can do a research through it about the universal truth. So all the questions raising in our mind can be answered from this superior knowledge of Abhidhamma, learning Abhidhamma. By learning Abhidhamma, we can answer all the spiritual questions that we are facing, we are seeking answers. So that's why we recommend to study the Abhidhamma as a complete research of Buddhism. So we are guiding you through this program to learn this Abhidhamma, and you can make a research from Tripitaka online, or you can get Tripitaka books today by online purchase or any other way. Even it's available in internet, and even in many frontline bookshop you can also purchase it. But after purchasing, you may face some practical problem to study it. So that's why we are suggesting, we have 2 Facebook pages, the doctrine page for English using people, and our Sri Lankans, Sinhalese using people, we are introduced Facebook Dhampituwa page. But for English people, English using people, we already presented the doctrine page, Facebook page in the Facebook as a Facebook page. So there from post 700 to 860, between these two numbers, 160 posts are available regarding Abhidhamma Pitaka, and all the Prakarana books content are briefly presented in this within these 160 posts. So it will be very important when you are going to make a research, and before your research it's better you refer these Abhidhamma Pitaka briefing, so then you can get very easily about your research. So in the research about Buddhism, the very important part is learning discipline and learning Abhidhamma, the doctrinal part. Then after you can go to study about the sutra. So in Abhidhamma, we discussed many times before, there is some doctrinal order has presented. First, they revealed the truth first of all, to understand everything, Abhidhamma presented you the Dhamma, the concept of Dhamma, and it shows the two ways, two aspects, Adharma and Dharma. Dharma always should be selected as to do good in the universe. So all the incident happening to the good direction, it's called Dhamma, and if happening to non-good, incorrect direction, it will call Adhamma. So the difference between Dhamma and Adharma is firstly explained in Abhidhamma, and also it explains the powerfulness of mind and all the incident of universe first investigated by the mind, and so the Dhamma is a fact also included to mind. So all the universe is depend on Dhamma, and Dhamma, after that Abhidharma explains the Sammuti Dhamma and Paramartha Dhamma. There is Sammuti Dhamma also some kind of truth, but it is changing. But Paramartha Satya means some kind of truth, they are not changing. That is the absolute truths of universe. So the Paramartha Dhamma then divided into four categories: Chitta, Chaitasika, Rupa and Nibbana. And from these four categories, Chitta, Chaitasika and Rupa are classificating as Sanskara, and Nibbana is classificating as Asanskara. So the difference between Sanskara and Asanskara also revealed in Abhidhamma, and through this research, all the categories, these absolute doctrines available in the universe were revealed in Abhidhamma, and it is analyzing these all doctrines according to its original, its real forms. So finally, every people will understand the reality of these absolute truths, and then they will understand that there is something away from this sanskara world. Then they will their mind will touch with the asanskara paramartha nibbana. So once we touch with the nibbana, from there he began to realize the reality of the universe. So that we call getting enlightenment. So once the enlightenment completed, he is completely deleting from the universe, means there is no such sorrow or any other suffering after he gets complete enlightenment. So this is the basic path, doctrinal path revealed in Buddhism through Abhidhamma. So all these things, step by step, in the ascending order, according to the ascending order, explained in Abhidhamma Prakarana books. So there are 7 Prakarana books. All these doctrines were explained in these Prakarana books, and it will come to complete study once we finish all the Prakarana books as a study. So it is very deep research, and once we finish that, we will filled with the supreme knowledge and supreme vision of the universe. So it will be help to get enlightened even in our lifetime too. So this is the path to liberation. So this is a step-by-step project, but it will receive the liberation, or the enlightenment will receive to whom who had qualified, who had been earned his qualifications. Only the candidates will meet the enlightenment. Otherwise, the beings has to complete their qualifications in their journey, means life after life. They have to gather their qualification skills to get this enlightenment, because it is a gift from the we can say the gift from the universe, the Dhamma. So to get enlightened, there is a big story behind it. So this everything will be getting clear once you study, once you complete your study in Buddhism. So my friends, my dear listeners, watchers, now we have explained you briefly about Abhidhamma Pitaka and what are the doctrinal paths included there. So carefully analyze what I say said in these videos, and try to study our page and then try to complete your research in Buddhism. So from next video we are presenting you about the concept of Sutra Pitaka. So I hope this video will be essential to you to do a good research, and this will helpful to you as a good guidance to do your research also. So this is our message as a Sri Lankan Buddhist. We are passing our message to world. Everyone, please at least one time in their life try to study Buddhism and try to understand it. That will be very useful in your life, because this is the universal truth. So thank you very much. We'll meet you from our next video. I am Surat Chamara from VNM, Vimukti Niwan Maga, the Liberation Path to Enlightenment program.